How to create your consistent AI influencer character that can post content 247, build followers, and even land you brand deals, all without showing your face. Hi creatives, Somi here and welcome back to my YouTube channel AI by Sum. And on this channel, I teach you everything about AI and tech. So if it's your first time here, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button, like this video, share with others so they will also learn, and drop me a really nice comment. Thank you. The truth is that a while ago, creating consistent AI influencer character means spending a lot of time writing prompts, testing different tools, and trying to make your character look consistent so that what you see in the beginning of the video will also be what you see at the end of your video. So here is the good news. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you different and simpler ways to achieve this. So if this is something you're interested in, then watch this video to the very end and don't skip any part. So let us dive in.
To create a consistent AI influencer character, we're going to open our browser. So now I'm going to assume that most of us probably don't want to use our own photo. So the first thing we are going to do is to create an AI model from scratch. Open your browser and select ChatGPT. This is the first tool we'll be using because the new image generation update makes creating AI influencer so much easy on ChatGPT. Click on the plus sign and select create image. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste my prompt. So this is my master prompt. I made sure that everything is as detailed as possible. And this is really important because we don't want to generate a different face every time we are creating new image. We want to build one character that we can use across all our entire content. So I'll leave this exact prompt in the description or in the comment section. So if you need it, you can copy this and tweak it to suit your own style. So here I have create a photorealistic portrait of a beautiful young black woman standing outdoors. Now I need to highlight a lot of important details so that my AI influencer character will be realistic and very unique. So I'm highlighting emerald green eyes, rich brown complexion, natural freckles scattered realistically across her cheeks, and also very important, the color of her hair, so it will not just be basic. Also importantly, I'll be including the negative prompt, all the things that I don't want to see in my image. This is also important. Stuff like low resolution, blurry, cartoon illustration, plastic skin, because I want my AI influencer to look very realistic. So once you are done tweaking your prompt to your taste, you go ahead and hit generate. Wow, can you see this? This is so beautiful. This is our image. Like, the more detailed your prompt is, the more realistic your image becomes. Just look at this. This looks so good. So this will be our master image. So once you get your master image, generating all other images becomes simpler. So always make sure that you upload your master image, which serves as your reference image. So this reference image is what tells the model, this is the person I want to keep to make your AI model consistent. So always make sure that your reference image is actually loaded before you generate anything. So now let's test something new. We are going to take our model and put her into a completely different environment. For example, I want to create a travel vlog. So I'm going to prompt it to be in an airport. So to achieve this, I'll simply keep my reference image attached and then I'll describe the new environment. So I'll just go ahead and paste this prompt, highlighting the outfit, the pose, the lighting, and the camera angle. Then I'll go ahead and hit on generate. This takes few seconds and your image will be ready. Beautiful. The outfit has changed, the lighting is different, the pose, everything, but the face still seems like the same person. That's what we are aiming for. Now I'm going to just type let her be inside a plane and I'm going to hit generate. Do you see that? Absolutely gorgeous. So you can basically change your AI influencer character to any outfit, take it to any place just by prompting it. So now let's try something new. Let's do early morning gym vlog. So we are going to be using ChatGPT to get our prompts to generate our images for this. So I'll just type I want to create a morning gym vlog for my AI influencer character. Give me 5 different image prompts to achieve this. Now I'm going to include everything I want. So I will write starting from her driving to the gym in her white GLE, her workout session, and her drinking water in a cute pink Stanley cup. Then I'll go ahead and hit generate, and ChatGPT will give me all my image prompts. So all I have to do now is to copy, paste, generate. So this is ready, and this is so cute. Now for the second image, I'm going to select our master image and also this second image, then go ahead and paste in my prompt, tweak it if there's anything I want to tweak, and hit generate. Amazing. This is still very beautiful, still maintaining character consistency across each image. So I'll go ahead and generate the rest of the images, and at the end of the day, this is what we have. So with this method, you can easily create multiple images for your AI influencer. Her clothes can be different, the environment can completely change, but the most important thing is her face is still consistent. And this is what makes this workflow so useful. So you see, you can keep creating new images of this same character without starting from scratch every single time. So once you are done and you're happy with your images, you go ahead and save them to your device. And this is everything for our first tool. Now let's go over to our second tool.
Hi creatives, if you have watched this part, kindly hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed. This really means a lot to me. Like this video, share with others, and also drop me a really nice comment. Thank you so much.
So I'm going to open my browser, then head over to Pinterest to get my photo inspiration. So here I'm going to just type cute black guy. Then I think I like this. I'll download this to my device, then copy it and take it to ChatGPT to get our image prompt. So I'll paste this image on ChatGPT and just ask it to describe the image. Now ChatGPT have described the image for me. So this is when you don't want to copy anybody's prompt. This is exactly how to get your own prompt. So I'll go ahead and type, write me a prompt to generate the image. Then I'll include all the features that I want. He has blue eyes and green hair. Just try and be detailed as possible. So I don't want this to look basic, I just want it to look different. So ChatGPT have given me my prompt, so I'll go ahead and copy this. Head over to Google Labs Flow to get started with Nano Banana, which will be the model we will be using to generate our image. All you need is a free Google account. If you already have one, then just sign in. Once you are inside, click on new project, then select image generation. Make sure Nano Banana 2 is selected. Then for the setting, I'm going to use portrait orientation. That's 9:16 aspect ratio. And I'll set the number of outputs to ×2. This will give me options, so I'll be able to compare which one I most preferred. So generating with Flow AI costs 0 credits, as you can see here. Now we get to the most important part, the prompt. We are going to copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave us, and we'll go ahead to tweak it. So in the prompt, I'll be adding highly edited studio portrait of a flawless fashion model with perfectly symmetrical features. This is just to make our image look very sharp and unique. Then we'll go ahead to describe what our model will look like, including the hair, the eyes, the face shape, the skin tone, and overall aesthetic. Once this is done, I'll go ahead and click on generate. Now our image is ready, so I think I prefer this one. So I'll go ahead and save this. Now still on Pinterest, I'll just download the outfits I want my model to wear, and I'll upload it here. Upload my outfit, then drag it to the prompt box with my model image, of course. Then I'll go ahead and type, let him wear this outfit, and I'll click on generate. You see that? So Nano Banana always give you 2 images. You can even generate as much as 4 images. So I think I prefer this. So I'll do for the next outfit. Wow, this is beautiful. So I'll just compare and save the one I want. Now let's try something new. Let me get a beach resort and another outfit. Attach all the ingredients in the prompt box and type my prompt and click on generate. And boom, as easy as that. This is very cute. So this is basically how you change your outfit and environment on Google Labs Flow. Very easy. So let me try something for a fashion brand. I'll go over to Pinterest and get all my fashion inspo, bring everything to Google Labs Flow. Then I'll go ahead and drag my model and each outfit and just prompt it to wear the outfit, and voila, this is what we have. So I'll just do this for the rest of the outfit, and at the end of the day, this is everything. And we got all these images for our fashion brand in just few minutes. See how cute and consistent it all turned out. Now the third tool we'll be exploring is OpenArt AI. So I'll open my browser and type in OpenArt AI. It will get me to this interface. You need to sign up with your Gmail, of course. Once you sign up, you'll get 40 free credits. Depends on the kind of image you want to generate. This can give you one or two images. But for you to get the best of open art, you need to subscribe, with the lowest package being $13. So let's dive in. So for you to create your character, you select character and click on character image. Once this is loaded, you click on create character. You have two options here. You can either upload your reference image if you already have one, or you just describe your character. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using the second option, which is describe your character. Then I'll paste my prompt on the prompt box and hit on generate. Yeah, our image is ready, and this is so beautiful and very realistic. So you might just consider subscribing to openart.ai.
So this is everything for this video. This is how to create consistent character for your AI influencer. Watch out for the part 2 of this video, where I will take us through on how to animate and set up our AI influencer. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value from this video, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. Also, drop me a really nice comment. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.